Our Hiligaynon word for the day is ápin. Ápin. When we say ápin, that means to help, assistance, backing, aid, support, succor, to take sides with, support, back up, help, aid, assist. Apini ako, take sides with me. Apini ako. Ang mga ginikanan, masig apinay sa ila mga anak nga nagailinaway. The parents, partial to their own, are siding with their children in their fight with one another. Ang mga ginikanan, masig apinay sa ila mga anak nga nagailinaway. Wala siya sing apin. He or she has none to back him up. Wala siya sing apin. Nakadaog siya kay ginapinan siya sang mga mamumugon. He or she won because he or she was supported by the workers. Nakadaog siya kay ginapinan siya sang mga mamumugon. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.